Hello everyone. In this video, we will be reviewing how to pick an order using the Pick Verify module within RapidGO. We will begin by selecting Pick Verify from the list of available menu options. This will generate a list of your open orders to work with. Once that list has been generated, scroll till you find the order you'd like to work with, or alternatively, you could use the Order Lookup field towards the top to look up the order in question. Once you have the order that you would like to work with pulled up, tap on the item number field to begin scanning or manually keying in your item numbers or barcodes associated with this order. I want to begin by showing you what happens when we try to overpick an item. We're expecting 2 for this item, so if I enter in 3, I will receive this error message indicating that the quantity that we've entered is greater than the quantity that we're expecting. Let's try that again, but enter in the correct amount this time. We could see that as fully picked, represented by the green check mark. Next, we will fully pick another item associated with this order. Perfect. And the last item 10,008 down there. Let's underpick this item, assuming we only got 4 instead of the expected 5. We could see that represented with the red minus sign icon. At this point, you could review what you've picked before sending this to Counterpoint. Once we hit the Done button, it will save and send those changes over to Counterpoint. Depending on how you process orders, we could find them in one of 2 areas, either in touchscreen or in order management. Keep in mind, if you're using order management, you will want to go over to the settings field in RapidGO to confirm where these orders are being sent to. Here, we could see that they're sent to the Release tab. We'll save those changes and move over to Counterpoint. We were talking about order management, so let's visit that area first. We know that our Pick Verify orders, when sent from RapidGO, are sent to the Release tab, and we could see that order available right here. In the Release tab, this is the final area of order management before the order is marked as completed, and then once the drawer is posted, closed out, removed from order management. Now, we can't do that because this is grayed out, and it's grayed out because we have an amount due of 233. With this order checked, we could see what we picked down here in the bottom left-hand corner. We could see that for item 10,002, quantity was 2, we picked 2. We can go down the line for each item. You might be wondering why we're seeing these quantities in the packed section rather than the picked section. That's because RapidGO skips these 2 and goes all the way over to the Release tab, or the Pack tab if you have it configured that way. If we had these configured to send to the Pack tab, we'd expect to see this quantity packed over in the Quantity Pick Verified tab. Once you move from the Pack tab to the Release tab, you'll see the quantities adjust over to the next column. Now that we've talked about order management, let's chat about how we can look up these orders and process them within touchscreen. Signing into touchscreen, we will want to navigate first to process orders. Keep in mind that this button might be called something else in your system or might be located in a different area entirely. With the Process Orders window pulled up, we can navigate to the order that we just recently worked on. With this pulled up, we'll go and release what we've picked. We could see up here, this is the quantity expected originally on the order, 2, 1, and 5. Moving over to release this, we could actually see what was picked on the order, 2, 1, and 4, because we underpicked that last item. At this point, you can tender and release these picked items. And in fact, we'll do that right now. And we could see that the release ticket from the order was generated. We will close this and actually navigate back over to RapidGO. Since we've finished releasing those picked items, the order should still be available for us with a 1 item with quantity 1 left on that order. And we've confirmed that's the case. And that's it. That's how you pick an order using Pick Verify module.